Dear learners, good afternoon. I hope you are well. I am also well. I am Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Sunute Bazar, Jamalpur. Welcome you to online class. Today, I want to discuss about listening test. You know that there is a passage in your exam. At first, you have to read the passage very carefully and attentively and try to understand the meaning of the passage. Next, there are two questions in your exam, and this first question, look at the whiteboard, shows the best answer from the alternatives. There are four answers for every question. You have to select any answer given the four, and you have to write only one in your khata. Next question, there is an incomplete passage and there are 12 words upon the box. At first, you read the incomplete passage very carefully and then you fill up the passage with this word, appropriate word. At first, you have to read the passage very attentively. So, I am reading the passage. Listen to very carefully and attentively. When Mina and I were in class 2, যখন মিনা এবং আমি দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণীতে ছিলাম, something very funny happened. কিছু আনন্দদায়ক মজার কিছু ঘটলো. I can remember it quite well. আমি সম্পূর্ণভাবে এটি মনে করতে পারি. It happened when I visited Mina at her home in Sonapur. When it happened, এটি ঘটেছিল when I visit Mina at her home, যখন আমি মিনার বাড়িতে গিয়েছিলাম in সোনাপুরে. Mina's parents had a large garden with a lot of guava trees. Mina's parents had a large garden. মিনার পিতামাতার একটি বড় বাগান ছিল with a lot of guava tree, মানে পেয়ারার বাগান ছিল, পেয়ারা সহ একটি বড় বাগান ছিল. The fruit was green and hard. ফল ছিল কাঁচা এবং শক্ত. But we ate some. কিন্তু আমরা এতে কিছু খেয়েছিলাম. I was eating a guava when I saw something strange. I was eating a guava. আমি একটি পেয়ারা খেতেছিলাম. When I saw something strange, যখন আমি অদ্ভুত কিছু দেখলাম, খাওয়ার সময় অদ্ভুত কিছু দেখলাম. Look, দেখো, মিনা, I said, আমি বললাম. There's blood on my guava. আমার পেয়ারাতে রক্ত আছে. Where did it come from? এটি কোথা থেকে আসলো? She asked. সে জিজ্ঞেস করলো. We both felt very worried. আমরা উভয়ে অত্যন্ত দুঃখ পেলাম, চিন্তাযুক্ত হলাম. Then suddenly Mina saw a tooth in the grass. অতঃপর হঠাৎ করে মিনা ঘাসের উপর একটি দাঁত দেখলো. It was my tooth and I felt very upset. এটি ছিল আমার দাঁত এবং আমি অত্যন্ত আপসেট, কষ্ট পেলাম. I have lost my teeth. আমি আমার দাঁতটি হারিয়ে ফেলেছি. I cried. আমি চিৎকার করলাম. I will look ugly and horrible. আমাকে এখন কুৎসিত ও বেমানান দেখাবে. But Mina told me not to worry. কিন্তু মিনা আমাকে বলল যে দুঃখ করো না, don't worry, তুমি কষ্ট পেও না. Samiram, she said, সে বলল, just put your tooth into a rat's hole. তুমি তোমার দাঁতটি ঠিক একটি দূরে ঘরতে ফেলে রাখো. Rats have very good teeth and can eat anything. ইঁদুরের অনেক ভালো দাঁত আছে এবং ক্যান ইট এনিথিং এবং সব কিছুই খেতে পারে। উই উইল ফাইন্ড এ র্যাটস হোল ইন মাই গার্ডেন। উই উইল ফাইন্ড আমরা খুঁজে বের করলাম এ র্যাটস হোল একটি ইঁদুরের গর্ত ইন মাই গার্ডেন আমার বাগানে। হোয়েন ইউ পুট ইউর টুথ ইন ইট এ র্যাট উইল গিভ ইউ ওয়ান অফ ইটস টিথ। যখন তুমি ইঁদুরের গর্তে তোমার দাঁতটি রাখবে তখন ইঁদুর তোমাকে একটি নতুন দাঁত দিবে। দেন ইউ উইল হ্যাভ অল ইউর টুথ এগেইন। অতঃপর ইউ উইল হ্যাভ তুমি পাবে অল ইউর টিথ এগেইন তোমার সমস্ত দাঁতগুলি পুনরায় পাবে। হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড দ্য বাংলা অফ দিস প্যাসেজ? নাও try to write in your exercise khata number 1. Question: choose the best answer from the alternatives. First question: seeing blood on her guava, Samira was very happy, anxious, glad, sorry. What will be here? Think deeply. Number A. Which is appropriate? Happy, anxious, glad, sorry. Anxious. Number B. Find out the funny thing. The funny thing happened when Samira was in class 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you say? What is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. Number C. The fruit was green. Here green means ripe, rotten, unripe, color. Which is correct? Ripe, rotten, unripe. It will be unripe. Number 3. Unripe. Number D. Samira lost one of her dash tooth, teeth. What is appropriate? Can you say? Teeth. Number 3, teeth. Number E. Here a lot of means mass, many, more, most. What will be here? Can you tell? Mass, many. It is many. Have you got all the correct answer? In this way, you will answer of this question. Now look at the left part of the whiteboard. I have written a incomplete passage and there are 12 words in the box. 2 words are extra and 10 words are appropriate for the game. Now read the passage. At first read out the words: strange, anxious, eat, interesting, pay, be, incident, funny, have, no, lying, dull. Can you say the meaning of the words? These are easy words. Now read the passage, incomplete passage. When Samira was a student of class 2, she dashed a visit to Mina's village home in Sonapur. At her house, and dash event happened in Samira's life. Still she remembered the dash. Mina's parents dash a guava garden. There dash many guavas in the garden. Once while dash a guava in the garden, Mina saw something dash. She found blood in her guava, but she dash when the blood come, where the blood came from. Both of them were very dash. All on a sudden Meena saw a tooth dash in the grass. You have to write only keywords, only correct words in your exercise khata. You need not write all the pages, full pages in your khata. Now try to fill up. When Samira was a student of class 2, she dashed a visit to Meena's village home in Sonapur. She dashed. What is related? Number A. You will say something present, past participle according to passage. She dash. What will be related? Pay. It will be pay. Its past form. Paid. Number 1. Paid. She paid a visit to Meena's village home in Sonapur. Is there any problem? At her house and dash event happened in Samira's life. This sentence is past form. At her house and dash event. Which word is related for B? At her house and interesting event happened in Samira's life. She remember the dash. It has full stop. You have to fill up with any word similar or appropriate word. Still she remember the dash. It will be incident. Still she remember the incident. Meena's parents dash a guava garden. Guava. It will be past tense. It has B, so you will use past form for B. Meena's parents had a guava garden. There dash many guavas in the garden. There. It will also past tense. There dash many guavas. There were many guavas in the garden. Once, while. If the sentence is started with while and there is no subject, you add with verb. You add ing with verb. Once, while, eat. It has eat, so it will be eating. Eating a guava in the garden. Meena saw something dash. Meena saw something. Can you say appropriate word for Z? Meena saw something strange. Meena saw something strange. She found blood in her guava, but she dashed where the blood came from. She dashed. The sentence will be negative form, but she dashed. What is related? But she did not know where the blood came from. Both of them were very dash. What will be here? Read the box and choose the best answer from the box. Anxious, were very anxious. Are very anxious. All on a sudden, Meena saw a tooth dash in the grass. What is appropriate for number J? It will be last word, lying. A tooth lying in the grass. Have you got all the correct answer from the box? In this way, you can fill up the box and multiple choice question. This is the system. For this reason, you have to practice more and more at home. Is there any problem? No more today. See again next class. Keep well at home. Goodbye.